In this video, I'm going to teach you the last Z survival shooter insufficient purchase permission and how you can fix this particular error. So when you head over to last Z and you open the actual game, other users reported having the problem of the insufficient purchase permission. So with this thread, we will be able to answer that. As you can see right here, we have in here this Reddit thread about the insufficient purchasing rights allowance. So for this, you can head over to your Alliance shop and those individual credits let you purchase on whatever item that's in the shop. While the Alliance credits are the funds wherein your Alliance leader or R5 or any other Alliance admins were able to purchase to refill those items so members can purchase. So with this, the money in the storehouse is the overall money of the alliance or the clan. R4 I5 buying items in storehouse to move the items in the shop where alliance members can purchase them with alliance credits. So for this, what you can do is you need to make sure that you're stocked up on the actual alliance credits so you can buy them. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.